In this video, we're going to be looking into my new secret RSI indicator, which you can see below, and then we're going to be converting it into a strategy so that we can backtest it more than 100 times to see whether it is actually profitable. Without further ado, let's get straight to business, guys. Okay, as you can see, we've added a brand new indicator to our charts. It's called the Metro Advanced with heartbeat. You can add it to your charts by going over to the David Tech website, clicking on free indicators. All the indicators are free and open source. In this video, you can scroll down and choose one of the indicators. Then you have to add it to your charts into your favorites. You click add to favorites, then you'll be able to find it in your favorites here. As I said, we're going to be using the Metro Advanced RSI. As you can see, we're going to click that, and that's going to add this indicator to the bottom of your charts. Now, this indicator is a stepped version of the RSI, and we're only going to be using the blue and the purple lines. So I'm going to go over to style, and we're actually going to remove the RSI itself, and we're going to be using the stepped version. Now what it does is it takes the highs and the minimums of the lows and puts a little bit of an algorithm so that we have a stepped RSI, one on a faster length and the other one a much slower length itself. We can set these up very easily by going here. I've actually left the RSI at 14, the step size fast to 5 and the slow to 15. We have some oversold and overbought sections and an area for hiding the backgrounds, etc. I'm going to actually remove the cross confirmation and we'll be able to see where we're going to get our entries. Now this indicator is going to be the second step in our 5-step plan. I'll give you the other indicators as well as we go along. This indicator is going to confirm our entries when the background goes green and the blue fast line is over the pink colored line. We're going to be taking longs just like this one just here. As you can see, absolute brilliant entry. And when it goes from green to red, we can take a short entry just like this entry just here. Now of course, we're going to put this into our trading plan, and we're going to need an indicator for trend direction. So for that, what we're going to be doing is using the Fantail VMA by David Tech. Once again, guys, you can find it on the website in this list, free and open source. Click on that to add it to our charts. Now this is one of my favorite indicators for finding trend direction. Now we're going to be going over to the cog in the FVMA. We're going to press that, and we're going to be setting our ADX length to 5, our weighting to 25, and our MA length to 20. Now that's going to set up our actual entries. We're going to be looking for the FVMA to give us our trend direction. So when it's green and the price is above it, we're going to be looking for our long entries. And when price is confirmed below it and it has gone red, we're going to be looking to take short entries. So both indicators work extremely well together. This one is going to give us our trend direction, and this one here is going to confirm those entries just before we get into a position. Our next indicator is going to be another confirmation indicator. We're going to be using a super trend. Now this is one of my favorite long-term indicators. We're going to be using the one by Everket just here. We're going to click that onto our chart. We're going to go over to the cog, and we're going to remove the buy sell signals here, just like that. Now this indicator is often used for trend direction, but in this strategy here, we're actually going to be using it for confirmation. That's going to give us a little bit more confidence in our entries. Now we have one last indicator to add, and that is going to be our volume or volatility indicator, making sure there's enough volume in the market for us to take that entry. So we're going to go over and we're going to be using the volume flow indicator by David Tech. This one here is based on the lazy bear one here. I've just added an extra little bit of code here so we can see our entries a little bit more visually on the chart. Now, as you can see, this indicator allows us to know whether there's enough volume in the market. We're looking for green to be above orange. This will confirm our entries. Now we can look for a entry where all of our indicators line up here. So we're looking first of all for the FVMA to be green and for price to be above it. We're then looking for our super trend to have gone green as well. We're looking for the Metro Advanced with heartbeat to have gone green, so the blue above pink line. And then we're looking for our volume indicator to have been gone green over orange, just like that. We're going to set our entry long to the following candle. We're then going to add the ATR bands by David Tech just here, allowing us to set a stop loss. We're going to go over to the stop loss. We're going to set our multiplier to 2.5. This allows us to set our stop loss to the ATR bands, and then we're going to be looking for a risk to reward of 1.3. Boom! And as you can see, we won that trade. Okay guys, that is the actual strategy. I'm going to go away now and backtest this for at least 100 trades. I'm going to be using codes so that we make sure that every single one of those entries are absolutely perfect. If you don't know who I am, my name is David. Welcome to our channel. We are algo traders. We do everything with systems. Make sure we properly backtest the trading strategies, then put them into forward testing. You can get access and see all of my strategies trading live. There's over 700 of them on the David Tech website. You can get access to all of it for 100% free. All you have to do is sign up for an account either on Bybit or Blowfin. You'll be able to find the links to that down in the description below. Right, I'm going to go away and backtest this. I will see you in a couple of seconds where I give you the results for the backtesting results. We are on BTC USDT on the 2-hour time frame. Let's get backtesting.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Okay guys, the backtesting results are in. We're going to be backtesting as far as we possibly can. Drum roll, please. Boom! Right, okay, I've called this trading strategy Super Metro. We have an amazing 2,957% net profit. We're using 10x leverage and 10% of the account for backtesting. I'm going to keep that as our default settings for all strategies from now on. We have 311 closed trades, an amazing 62% win rate, which is absolutely brilliant, giving us a bit of an edge on the market itself. Now, obviously, we're going to be forward testing that, and I also got that all the way up to a 67%, but sacrificed a bit of the net profit. The profit factor is 1.7, which is great, and the max drawdown is only 18% on a 10x leverage. That is brilliant. Let's have a look at some of the other results. We have a max number of wins in a row of 12, a max losses of 6. We had a total number of wins of 193, total losses were 117. As you can see, the stop loss is a lot smaller than the take profit, which is great. And as you can see, most of the months are in the green, which is absolutely wonderful as well. 10x leverage, as I said earlier, everything's good, looking absolutely amazing. Okay guys, it's really good to be back here on YouTube. I'm going to be going back and building as many strategies and backtesting and forward testing strategies as much as I possibly can. I had a bit of a month off whilst building my trading account personally. Really happy to be back here. I look forward to seeing you all on Wednesday as well with another wonderful trading strategy. Don't forget guys, you can get access to all of the David Tech strategies absolutely 100% for free on davidtech.com. Thanks to the wonderful people at Blowfin and also Bybit. All the information you need will be found down in the description below. Thank you very much. If you did enjoy the video, if you don't mind giving it a good old like, don't forget to follow as well. Share with your friends and family. I am trying to build the biggest algo trading community in the world. We're actually making money because we're not trading manually. We're doing everything systematically. Without further ado, have a wonderful day. Take care. Keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.